Hi, Caroline. Thank you for sending in your calculus question to SnapMath tonight. Your question says, explain why the function is discontinuous at the number a and sketch the graph of the function. So to show that this function is discontinuous at a, or 1, we're going to use the definition of continuous, which says the limit of f of x as x approaches a is equal to f of a. And f of a, or f of 1 in this case, is equal to 2 from our piecewise function. So now what we need to do is find the limit of 1 as x approaches 1. What does that equal? Well, it's 0 over 1 if you just go from it both ways. But, so that's undefined, right? So let's look at it from going both ways. So we're going to look at it as x approaches, what's the limit of x 1 over x minus 1 as x approaches 1 from the left side. So if we look at it from a little bit less than 1, this is going to be a really big negative number. So this is actually going to negative infinity. And then if we look at it from the right side as 1.001 minus 1. This is going to be actually a really big number, and it goes off to positive infinity. So we know that this limit actually doesn't even exist because these things don't equal the same thing, right? This limit up here does not exist. This is actually undefined. So is undefined equal to 2? It's not. So this limit, or this is not continuous. And then we're going to put in we're going to graph it. So here's this part that's piecewise right here. That's that 1 point. And then the rest of the graph is this graph right here, where there's asymptotes at y equals 0 and x equals 1. So hopefully that helps you. And thank you for sending in your question tonight. And we look forward to answering your questions in the future, Caroline. Have a good night.